Hello, welcome back to the new video. Today we learn how to do post processing in Unity. Okay, first go to the window, package manager, then package manager install post processing. Okay, after the install post processing, back to the scene and go to the main camera, add component, post processing layer. Add layer, and volume layer is everything. Then add volume, then it's global, new. Then add effects like bloom effect, bloom, and go to the all and put intensity to forward. Okay, this looking cool. Okay, to add the sun type, to go to the create and create a material, yellow, yellow, and emission on HDR. This look cool. Add to the cube. Okay, this looking cool. Okay, then I add cube, you add sphere also, and you do more stuff in this. This is a simple like sun. Okay, you try more. It's looking cool. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye guys. Bye. And you can color also, like this. Okay, bye.